Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you a really nice ATC race trailer. It's set up for a gooseneck ball. It's got the forward extension. It's got a hydraulic jack in the center and two stabilizer jacks. It's all aluminum construction. The frame, there's no wood on this trailer. It's got a power inverter. It's a Predator 3500 watt to power your lights and your compressor. It's a spread axle design with 8 lug hubs. Keeps the tail end from dragging, and you can see the tail end is kind of dovetailed up. It also has rollers on the back. And those of you that have experienced long trailers without rollers and without the spread axle, you know what I'm talking about. It's got bonded aluminum panels, no rivets, a nice ramp with a fold down aluminum extension, and it's an extra tall door. You can see I've got this early Bronco in here. There's plenty of room between the roof and the ceiling. There's also quite a bit of room on both sides. So if you have a dune buggy, a sand car, or any other crazy off-road contraption, it should fit in here just fine. And what's nice about these ramp overs, you got all this storage space underneath for spare tires, equipment, tools, you name it. I'm gonna get back and get a look. They call this one the Quest. It's got an extra wide door. If you wanted to load a motorcycle in there, you could. You got plenty of width. There's a slide out step that comes out underneath this door. It's got aircraft tie downs as well as the floor anchors. It's got nice cabinets, a nice workbench. That's your power cord. Closet to hang your stuff. There's a port here for your air. It's got a real nice 2-cylinder air compressor. These are fold down ramps if you're doing dirt track for the smaller tires. All kinds of ways to tie stuff down if you got a golf cart, or there's a wheel chock for a motorcycle. It's got a ladder that's aluminum. Excuse me, you got a spare tire mounted to the wall and an additional spare tire unmounted. It's carpeted up here. I mean, you could put a mattress and sleep up here. It's got an aluminum ladder and a roof access panel. Those of you that go to some of the NASCAR races, you can actually get up here and get on the roof. Set up your lawn chairs. Just don't fall off. There's the Ingersoll Rand 2-cylinder compressor. Another nice toolbox up here with shelves. ATC makes quality trailers. And this trailer was over $100,000 when it was spec'd out and built. And the main expense is the extra height and the extra width. It was used for King of the Hammers. It's got LED lights up top, but it was a King of the Hammers race trailer. Get one more look, but ATC is top quality. And the only real cosmetic flaw in this trailer, you may not be able to see it, but it's got a scrape right here. And he said he was at a fuel station and another trailer pulled up real close to him, and when they pulled out and turned, the swing of the trailer just barely caught the corner. But have a great day. This is a great trailer. I'm Bronco Bob, wishing you happy trails. Come see us and take this bad boy home. Get another look on this side. This side is Perfect. There you have it.